Welcome YouTubers, MZers and Aprilia Nords and Pegaso people, I guess. Anyway, I managed to locate a set of the inlet rubbers for the carbs, which you can't see because I've already put them on. In a previous post I showed how poor they were, so I've now fixed them. I have my temporary battery down here, some fuel in the tank, so we're going to try another startup to see if it's cured the problem. So I assume a bit of choke and see what's happened. So this will be my, I guess, second startup, I suppose. So we're stone cold. Let's see what happens. Ah, brilliant. So this is with the choke on. I'll turn the choke off, turn the choke back on. Oh, this seems better. So, I think it's a bit of a success story then with it running. Sounds quite sweet actually, ticking over there. So that's just a little bit of choke. So my inlet rubbers obviously cured my problem. Let's give it a bit more choke. Okay, so the choke is clearly working. A bit less choke. So I don't know why that's wandering around like that. I don't know. Oh well, it's just stopped. Should we try again? Yeah. There we go. More choke, maybe. More choke. I don't know why that is doing that. I don't know if it's a cable worn, something in here, or something that's driving the cable. And that's the mileage in kilometres. But certainly sounds okay to me. The bits that are getting hot are getting hot. So it sounds pretty good. It sounds like it runs as it should. So I'm quite happy with that. A bit of heat getting in it now, so that's the choke off. I don't know if that's 1,000 revs or what, but anyway, from behind. Success, I think. So, if you get one of these or a carb bike and it won't run unless you put the choke on, it's definitely a lean mixture. I don't know if you see it, you can see it in there, but there's some little holes in there that allow the actual engine to run when the throttles are virtually shut, and the butterflies are shut. That's what it was with mine, that was blocked on mine. So, choke off, brilliant. And I've just turned it off on the kill switch. So, thanks for watching. Yeah, I'm reasonably happy with that. I wish somebody would comment and tell me what they think to the sound of the engine. Sounds pretty good to me. No unusual knocks. So yeah, I'm going to put it back together and see what it runs like. Thanks for watching. Cheers guys. Bye.